took the tram all the way up here. And I've got my buddy here, Mr. Ryan Knorr, the man, the myth, the legend. He is the cream of the crop. Senior level type creator right here. Pretty freaking sweet up here. What do you think?
It's awesome.
Yeah, he likes it. Mikey likes it. So I finally got the guy up into the mountains.
Yeah.
So we're up here at 11,000 feet, and I finally got him up into the real mountains. He's like, yeah, I've been to the Smoky Mountains. Oh, please.
But the air is very thin up here.
Oh, it's very thin.
Yeah.
Well,
So-
something up here's got to be thin.
Yeah, exactly right.
We're on this chairlift at Snowbird, and Alan's freaking out. He's like,
No,
don't.
because you put the safety bar
Yeah,
up.
I put the safety bar up, and
No,
who
the
crap
safety bar
cares?
has to be down.
So this is a safety bar here, and he's like, what the crap
All right,
is this?
because he's trying
Should've
to
seen his
raise the
face.
safety bar up so that I'm literally naked to the front of the
Let's do it
fallout
again.
chair.
Let's do it again.
No.
Let's do it again.
No. No. Oh
Look at
my
that
God.
go. Okay, look
no.
at him. Look
Put
at
the
him.
safety bar. No, because I could fall out at any moment.
Look how scared he is.
Ryan, I'm going to grab onto your neck, swing like a spider monkey. Put the bag down.
Look, he's all stressed out.
Red bark beetle. Red bark beetle. No.
Scared. Look at it. Look at him squirm.
Red bark beetle.
He's squirming.
Yeah. You were breaking.
Yeah, you were breaking, dude. I'm trying to catch up to Ryan Knorr so I can ram him in the back. He needs a taste of his own medicine.
Oh geez, that's fast. Oh shit.
Connor, your backyard sucks.
Yeah, it does. He's a pretty boy. He's a pretty boy.
This one witness said he would never forget the scene. You could see faces sticking out of the snow. One really particularly bad thing I saw was a boot sticking up out of the snow, and it had a leg in it and nothing on the other end. All 40 persons, which included 37 servicemen returning from action in the Korean War, lost their lives instantly.
Stop! Holy crap! That was awesome! Stop! Oh yeah!
Give me the wipes.
That was so awesome, dude. All right, folks, welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Oh, wait. Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. All right, guys, welcome back to the Greener Lawn. So welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today is September 14th. This is a lawnmower. This is another lawnmower. And that's a dude over there that you may have seen on the YouTubes before.
Did you say the greener lawn?
What?
Why would you
greener
say
lawn.
welcome back to the greener lawn?
I didn't say that.
That's what it sounded like.
No.
What
You
did
were
I
there.
hear?
I said that today's September 14th.
Oh.
So,
All right.
welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today is September 14th, and I've got the two mowers here. I've got the two real...
Looky Lou.
Looky Lou over there. All right, folks, so it's September 14th, and I've got these two lawnmowers here. This is a Toro Greensmaster 1600. We've got another Toro Greensmaster 1600 here. Mr. Allyn Hane himself is sitting right there, and he's at my house, and I'm going to teach him how to use the reel mower, and he's like, oh, I need to use a reel mower.
Well, I've never used one before.
He said, I never used a reel mower before. I'm like, what the crap? Then get your butt out to here.
What's wrong
to
with
my
your
house.
voice?
Oh, I don't know, something or other.
Too much yelling, screaming in the mountains?
Oh, yeah. So I was yelling at Allyn at the Snowbird Mountain Resort. I was yelling at him, be like, get your butt down here, get your butt down here. You're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong, you don't have your PPE on. Oh, man.
You almost threw me out of a what do they call it?
The
ski lift. You almost threw me out of it.
Yeah, I did almost throw him out. I had him by the neck, and I was about to toss him out, and then he said he's sorry. So we spared his life there.
Thank you.
But we've got the 2 mowers, and I'm going to teach him how to use these. We're going to mow the lawn here, cut it a 1/2 inch or 5/8 of an inch. So let's do that. You ready?
I'm ready, dude.
Okay.
Let's do this.
So we're going to do 2 mowers. I'm going to mow with this one. He's going to mow with that one. We're going to go in tandem and in sync, just right next to each other. He'll do a stripe, and I'll be right behind him with the other one, and he's going to mow like a snail. Just like Ryan. Ryan gets on there. He's like, oh, how do I adjust the throttle? Oh, my voice is gone. I'm sorry. I was doing too much yelling and screaming. So there it is, folks. Allyn and I mowed this here. You can see the stripes here. We've had better mow jobs before, but for the most part, he did a good job. He likes it. Mikey likes the mower.
Well, listen, have you ever had such a stylish mow job? That was style.
Yeah.
If you put the right music in that,
Yeah.
that's some gold style right there.
Gold style right there. See the double stripes? We mowed that in half the time it normally takes, huh? You think you're ready for this?
Does the seat go up closer?
Yes. There you go.
Oh, much better.
Huh?
Yeah.
Would you look at that? So you should see that Allyn Hane. He's over at my house mowing the lawn, and he's like, hey, can I try the big mower? I really want to try it. And I'm like, are you sure? This might be twice your age or something like that. And he's like, yeah, I'm good for it. I promise. I want to do it. I'm like, fine, go for it. He's over here mowing. He's just like, I'm all over the place. He can't get straight lines. It's kind of a joke a little bit, but look at him. So that old Allyn Hane, I'm training him on how to use the 3100D. He's never used a riding mower before. I think he said that he's never used a riding mower before. I think that's what he said, which is freaking crazy. So you just keep going back and forth on the same stripes. He's done like 5 or 6 passes just on this line, and that's the secret to getting the stripe straight for me. Yes, I know. You're gonna say, well, that's gonna cause compaction. I get it. It is gonna cause compaction, but what else are we to do? When we've got a novice mowing, he doesn't know how to mow, and he's like, am I done yet? I'm like, you could be done whenever you want, Allyn, except for now, you're under my reign, and you're working for me. So, look at that. Stripes are decent. All right, guys, so since I've got the lawn care nut here, we are going to put down some fertilizer. I have some Carbon X, and we're gonna throw her down. And like true Allyn Hane fashion, we have to throw down the Carbon X. This is his thing.
Wow, your yard's beautiful.
Thanks.
Wow.
All right, so we decided to go with 818 X Green because the small prill size, this is perfect for low cut turf like this. It's gonna get in nice and deep, water it right in, got plenty of iron, plenty of potash in the mix. It's gonna be good for this new seeding you got here.
So Allyn Hane was being like a fertilizer ninja and went, ah! So he cut the bag and spilled the 818 on the concrete. He says if you get it wet on the concrete, it will stain. So I'm gonna blow it off the concrete here. That's why I got the blower. So we're gonna
What did you say might happen if we get it
wet?
No, I was just kidding. You actually did it. Okay,
okay.
well. Since we talk about settings, what setting do we go to?
Oh, I'm just putting it on a light setting.
A light setting. All right, let's
So
see.
like a 10.5
yeah.
is gonna put down
Well,
the whole bag.
Go with a 6.5.
Okay.
Oh no!
That
what are you
is
doing?
A Connor Ward move.
Huh? I think it smells like success.
So we're just running these spreaders. We've got the Lesco and the Spiker. We're doing it like they do at Augusta, you know, where you go down the line. We've got double the stripes on the mowing, double the fertilization, double the quickness, eh?
Double the fun.
Yeah, double the fun. Double the pleasure, too.
Yes, yeah.
All right, guys, so we just finished this side. That was the prize child. This is the red-headed stepchild. We're gonna do this side. He's gonna run in this direction. I'm gonna run in this direction in a 90-degree fashion, okay?
90-degree fashion?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
say that? We're gonna run for the stepchild in a 90-degree fashion?
Yeah, this is a stepchild, so
I think it looks pretty good for a stepchild.
she's decent. She's decent. We'll get her there, though. Once those cottonwood trees are gone, we will have some success.
Those guys are pisser offers.
Yeah, you see how they're dead?
Yeah, they're dead. They're dead
done.
as a hammer. Yeah.
They're pisser offer trees. So let's do it. You go in whatever direction, I'll do the 90-degree fashion. Sound good?
Okay.
Throw her down!
Throw her down! Throw her down!
Yeah, go in the house.
That's what got me earlier was,
Too much work.
well, in thin air.
Yeah.
Again, you had the same thing. You came down to work with me, and what did you realize? Boy, it's a little different to work here. Working at elevation is different than working in humidity for sure.
I about died
Well, I'm
when
about
I was
to
at your
die.
house.
I have this pounding headache all day from no oxygen, no air to breathe up here. It's
Yeah,
funny because it's the
thin.
most beautiful, clear air, but there's
Can't
not enough
breathe.
of it for me.
Yeah. So we've mowed and we've fertilized with the 818 X green, and now we're done. So thanks for coming to the house.
Do I get to get a raspberry beret or whatever the popular thing
yes,
is here?
yes. The raspberry beret, yes.
Yes, a raspberry beret.
We're gonna go get a raspberry beret.
Raspberry beret!
Yeah. So that'll be. Want to do that now or?
Yeah, and then I
Later.
can watch you kill yourself on a jet ski.
So we're gonna go to the jet ski
I'm
and
not
go
jet
to the
skiing.
lake, and he's like, I'm not going, too
I've
dangerous.
had enough physical activity for the next 12 months.
No, but for real though, like we're at 6,000 feet. He's used to sea level, and so I'm used to this. He's not. And so
But how high up did you take me today?
pretty high.
Yeah, like 25,000 feet?
No, it probably took you to 11.
Yeah, see? So 6 to 11, so you almost doubled it.
Yeah,
That's
we took him way up, and he's had a pounding headache,
Yeah.
which is legit. So when I was at his house, and I'll link to the video below or something like that, I was really huffing and puffing. The humidity just kind of killed
And
me.
I was laughing at you. I was
Yeah,
like, let's
he
do
was.
more.
He was laughing at me, for rightfully so. But so that's it. Thanks for coming,
Bro,
to the
thanks,
house.
man. It's been awesome. Thank you for everything. Like, this whole week has been, it seems like a week. It's been a
Yeah.
couple days, but
It's been 2
seriously,
days.
thanks for everything. You guys are awesome. Thank
Well,
you
so
for
what did we
opening your
do?
home to me and everything.
What did we do?
Well, we went up to Snowbird,
Yeah.
and I saw beautiful sights I'd never seen before. I almost died on a chairlift. You almost died on an
Yeah.
alpine slide or some sort of
Mountain-
alpine roller
yeah,
coaster.
mountain coaster.
Right? And then we went treacherously up some sort of rocky hills with, what are those things called?
UTV?
Frogmans?
Yeah, the
Frogman?
UTV,
Yeah.
Razor, side by sides.
Yeah, and then we did that. And we almost buried it in the mud. That was fun.
Oh yeah,
And then I got to use a real mower for the first time and a riding mower for the first time.
that is impressive.
Yeah. And now we're going to go to the lake.
Yeah.
Have a raspberry beret.
So we're gonna have the raspberry beret, and we're gonna chill. So
Let's
thanks
chill.
for coming,
Thanks, bro.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
See you in the lawn.
We're up on this ski lift today. First time I've ever been on a ski lift. I've never skied before. I don't do anything dangerous. And so we're coming down the ski lift, and there's a safety bar that comes down, like at Disney World. And I'm like, all right, this is good.